What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode from CA Buildz. If you guys are new to the channel, tap that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Today we're back in our 2020 Toyota Supra. If you guys haven't seen this build yet, I'll leave some links down below. Make sure you guys check them out. But we just got back from L&D Solutions. We got our headliner back, we got our seatbelts back, and they finished our dashboard, and this stuff looks absolutely amazing. What's up, bud? Hey, check out these seatbelts, guys. These things are so beautiful. You like them? No, you cannot do that. So originally these suckers were black, and look at this. Tyson, no. We made them red to match our calipers right there, and man, this looks so good. I can't wait to put these on. They're gonna look so nice in there. And look at this. This dashboard right here was blown because we had a blown airbag right here, and they actually did red stitching all around as well to match the seatbelts. Tyson, no. Look how beautiful these stitchings are, and it's gonna look so good with those red seatbelts and those red calipers. I can't wait to throw those on. And our headliner is done as well. So the headliner was not ripped, but it was kind of separated on the edges right here. They repaired on both sides, and this thing is looking perfect. But check out this dashboard. You will never tell this thing was blown. What they did is they put brand new leather on the whole thing, and man, this thing looks perfect. It is better than OEM. OEM had white stitching, but with this red stitching, it looks so much better, and those seatbelts are gonna make it look so good. If this is your first time seeing the Supra, we have some front end damage. We have all the airbags deployed in here, and take a look at this mess. I threw all the parts in here so they just wouldn't be everywhere in the garage. But we're gonna have to take all this out again. I'm probably gonna put the seatbelts on first because those are gonna be a lot easier than putting on the dash. But look how wild that looks. That's gonna be so much work putting that thing back on because it was really tough getting it off, but putting it back on is gonna be even harder. But I'm not gonna waste any time. I'm gonna start off the seatbelts, throw those suckers on, and then we're gonna see what we can do with this dashboard. All right, guys, the seatbelts are on, and man, they are just out of this world. It's such a small detail, but it does such a big difference. Big shout out to Dennis and L&D Solutions for hooking us up with these bad boys, and man, look how amazing these things look. I buckled this one up just to show you guys, and those look so cool. That side is on too. I just can't strap it down to the bottom because it actually buckles down to the seat, and we're not gonna throw the seat on just yet. We got all these plastics on as well. The side ones over here, this one that goes on top, and the same on that side, but I don't want to put those on over there because we'll put those on after the headliner comes on. So the seatbelts are done, and these things are just looking so good. I'm very happy with them. And when we throw the dashboard in with the red stitching, it's just gonna look so much better. But for now, we're gonna do that. We're gonna get the dashboard right there and try to throw it on here. Alrighty guys, it is the next day here. Yesterday we did get the dashboard in. Not everything is secure just yet, but we got it in, and let me tell you, it was a lot easier putting it in there than it was taking it out, because now I pretty much know where all the bolts and everything go. But man, this thing is just looking beautiful. Check this sucker out. We still have a lot of work to do, but the main dash is in and it's secured. We got the speedometer on, we got that big screen on, and man, look at these red stitching over here. They match the seat belts so nice. Makes it look so much better. We won't be able to complete the whole thing, and let me show you why. We don't have our airbags in just yet. We can get the dashboard, everything here secured. We'll finish up the center console, but we won't be able to put the glove box in because we need to put the airbag in under there, and we don't have it. I did order a used set that I found online, which I got really lucky on, and we're waiting for those to come in. They should come by the end of the week, but I don't think we'll be putting those in this video. We'll just put together as much as we can over here. The center console, put the steering wheel on, all the components over there, probably even this big trim over here, but not the airbags. For now, I'm gonna jump back on the interior and just do as much as I can. All right, another update for you guys. Check this out. The driver's side is all complete. Everything over here is looking beautiful. I even got the steering wheel on. We got the airbag on, and take a look at this. Man, that airbag looks so good. So everything here is put together. I need to hop on that side and start working on that, but the only problem is that we ran out of gas. Oh, it's still turned on. It's running rough. Yeah, this thing is done. We need to go get some gas while I'm working on the interior. I actually have the car running and the AC working because it's super hot outside. So now I'm gonna run to the gas station, get some gas, fill it up, continue working on that side. Well guys, we can't go any further with the interior. This is pretty much it for now because the next step is the glove box. The glove box has to go in first right now, but before that we need to put in our airbag and then the glove box and then everything else. So we're kind of stuck for now until our airbags come in. So that's it with the interior, and the same thing with the headliner. We can't throw the headliner in because we do need to put our current airbags in first and then throw our headliner and then put on the windshield. So as far as the interior goes, that's pretty much it for now. Alrighty guys, that will be a wrap for today's video. We really can't do much more with our airbags missing, and I don't really want to take it to the paint shop because our interior is all disassembled and then we're gonna start losing parts here and there, and we don't want to do that. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for all the love and support. If you guys are new here, tap that subscribe button. Also follow me on Instagram at CA Buildz. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.